pay. I got myself a new tool because I haven't had a jigsaw since I started working in my shop, so it was time to get one. Why ryobi, do you say? Well, I've chosen this because it was the best one they sold. That is from B&Q, of course. Obviously there is better quality out there, but I didn't want to spend well, I decided I didn't want to spend over £70, and I could buy one for £20, 50 or 80. So 50 it was, or £56, but it was the only one with a metal guide on it. All the housing here is metal, this body is metal, all the switches seem a little bit more secure, and I also liked this, other than it being made of plastic, but I liked it nevertheless. Also in this same sort of price range, this is the only one that has the angle action on it. Another buying point for me was it had 2 years warranty on it, so I can give it a little bit of abuse and put it through its motions and see how well it does, and if it breaks I'll bring it back. Last couple of machines that I've had go wrong on me, it has been the switches seem to break. They're a Bosch and Titan. Nothing else wrong with them, it's just the switch breaks and puts you out of the game. So hopefully this won't happen with this. What do you get in the box? Well, not a lot. There's a nice little hoover attachment and this plastic. I'm not sure whether it's meant to be a guide so you can follow the lines, or which possibly it could be, or just to help you keep chips from going back onto your piece of well, your piece of work. Let's say piece of art, but probably not. It is a bit chintzy, and I probably won't use it. What else? This is a bit tight by ryobi. They give you one blade, just one, which I think is a bit of a mickey take. I also first test, let's see how easy I can put a blade in. Straight? No, it's not. A bit stupid. I don't know how to put the fucking, somebody bought the wrong blades. This is your one piece of advice or something for you to take from my video. I bought the wrong bits. There we go. So that one is the correct one, and that one with like a horseshoe is wrong and won't fit. I don't know why. why they would make different attachments, but they did. We move on. Now I have noticed that the one that comes with it, the blade that comes with it, fits pretty good, but the ones that you can actually buy from the shop, they don't fit so well. I mean, I've been an idiot. Well, they look the same to me. They look the same to you. So this goes in, and this goes all the way back, and that's it. And that comes out, which is nice. And this one, which, whether it's just because it's a cheap blade, I don't know, pushes in just as far. Oh. And when you let go, it doesn't go back. It wants to take the blade with it, so now the blade is at an angle. It's got a light on it. Do you like that? Good at using the camera, aren't I? It has an Allen key. I don't know what that's for yet. Or do I? Oh yes I do. It's for this. I'm guessing. Is it to angle it? Oh, it is to angle it. Alright, so that's quite handy if you want to do some strange cuts. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna make something for my missus. You didn't think it was going to be something else, did you? So it ain't too bad. Obviously my jigsawing skills are bad, but the actual use of it is alright. The swing could have been a little bit faster, but done the job. Didn't really split it when it went through. Obviously the blade, so I'm going to have to get new blades to fit that, or change that so that they fit that, or vice versa. Anyway, remember I'm looking for 4,000 subscribers. It's a real tall order. Goodbye and have a lovely weekend.